On today's episode, we are going to make a quick and easy grilled cheese sandwich. For ingredients, we are going to use butter, cheese slices, and bread slices. Let's begin by placing our pan on top of the stove. Let the pan warm up. Now, let's spread some butter on the bread slice. Then place it flat on the pan. Repeat the process for the other pair, like so. Once lightly toasted, simply flip the toast, followed by the other. Repeat the process until both sides are toasted. And finally, we are going to add the cheese slice. Lay it flat on top of the toast. And finally, we will place the other half on top of the toast. And you are done.